Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next series of videos, security testing. So, security testing plays a very important role, right, in any application. Okay, like there are a lot of secure related applications like banking application, right, insurance, right. There are a lot of applications where even the other retail or other applications, everything should be secured, right. So security plays a very important role, right, in the testing industry. So we should, the as a tester, we should make sure the application is very secured or not, right. So there are a lot of tools in market. In this series of videos, right, we are going to see one of a very common and most used tool, Burp Shoot, in this tutorial, in this right, the series of videos which you are going to see. Today is just an introduction video and the installation of Burp Shoot, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. So security, right, normally, if you see, right, there is a life cycle of security testing also. First one is, right, we gather information regarding what and all you need to test. Okay, then you plan and do analysis. Okay, and then you detect the vulnerabilities in the application with the help of tools. Okay, and we do penetration testing, and we generate reports and circulate the report. Okay, so this is going to be the right life cycle phase, right, in the security testing. Okay, so right, what and all basically you'll test, right, in the security testing, if you ask me, right, the most common one thing we do is, right, authentication and authorization. Verify if users can access only the right, authorized users can only access. Okay, check for weak password policies, right. Test for the account, right, is getting locked when we do multiple attempts, right, invalid attempts. Okay, verify session timeout and re-authentication requirements. You test the multi-factor authentication. Okay, and we also do input validation and injection checks, like for example inserting an SQL injection, right, and seeing, we'll see this in this tutorial how to do test with an help of an SQL injection. Okay, checks for XML external entities. Okay, right, any injection attacks, right, it's not happening. Check for API security, validate the API responses against the unauthorized users. Okay, test the API keys, tokens, and what security mechanism. So we should do, right, all kinds of testing. For example, make sure the site is HTTPS, right, and it should not be HTTP. It should be secured protocol. Okay, and print screen mechanism, copy paste mechanism, back, right, forward, backward, right. So all these things, right, log out and copy the URL and again paste it. Make sure it's not logging in. A lot of ways, right, we can right, test an application, right, a firewall, right, blockage, right. Right, scanning, right, any for the any vulnerability. A lot of things we need to make sure the application is very tested. One time password captcha, right, OTP, right. So right, we are getting an intimation by SMS, right, file upload, right, security, right, make sure the file uploaders are scanned for any malware or not. There are a lot of things, right, we need to test. Okay, testing with huge loads and see, right, check the resources exhaustion and see. Okay, mobile application security, checking it is exposed to any AP keys or not. Right, sensitivity of a data. There are a lot of things, right, we can test with the help of the security testing. Okay, so I'll straightly go to the tool. Okay, so we should install the burp suite, right, in our machine. Go to this site, right, portsfigure.net/burp. Okay, this site, right, we should all navigate and go and see. If you search in right, Google, right, you just copy this. Okay, go to Google. As you just search this site, right, and you should able to get it. Okay, so I've already have in my machine this application, right? Port figure, right? So you should go to that and you should go to the community edition. Okay, so I'm already in the site. Let me scroll down and I should go to the Burp Shoot community right edition. If there is an right professional edition and community edition, you can just will go up for an community edition as of now. Okay, so just go here and just you should go here and download the Burp Suite. I already have in my machine. You can enter a email, or right, you can also, or if not, you can go directly go to the download part. Okay, I already have in my machine. Let me open it up. Okay, I'll just type Burp Shoot Community Edition. Let me open it. So this is going to be the first window which is going to open, and it's going to be 2025 1.5 version. It has been downloaded. Okay, first it asks for a temporary project memory, new project on disk, and open existing project. Let me write give a temporary project in my memory and I'll click next. Okay, then I'm not giving anything, I'm just clicking start Burp. Okay, so this is going to be the main window, right, of your Burp suite. Make sure right you are right launching a temporary project and you are navigating to this particular screen. Okay, first thing what you need to do is right, you should click proxy. Okay, and then what you do should right, you should go to proxy settings. Okay, and click add. Okay, in proxy listeners click add and make sure you are giving the this port number 127.0 your local address, and then the port number 8080. Make sure you are giving that. I've already added in my right machine already, so I'm not adding it. Make sure you're giving the right and this port number 8080. Okay, then what you do is right, you just click support invisible proxy, right, enabling if needed, give it. Okay, we need to add the right certificate, we'll do in the next video. Okay, now everything is fine, you just click OK there. I've already added, so make sure you are adding this right port number and 12700, right, and click OK. I've added this in my right in my machine. Okay, make sure right you are giving this one. Okay, and then what you need to do is right, you should go to Google Chrome. Okay, and I given the steps here. Okay, so next what you should do is right, you just we set up the proxy here. Next, right, we should set up the browser here. Okay, so we'll set up both the Firefox and also the Chrome browser. Let me go to the Firefox. I already have in my machine. Okay, go to the Chrome settings. Okay, and go to General and come to the right network settings and click Settings. Okay, click on Manual Proxy Configuration and make sure you are giving the proxy and the port number, and you should click also use this proxy for HTTPS. Okay, and click OK. I've already given in my machine, so you make sure you are right adding this proxy in your Firefox browser. Okay, and click OK. Okay, make sure you are doing that. For right Chrome browser, we have one plugin that we can extension, right, that we can add. Okay, I'll copy it. Okay, go to Chrome. Okay, go to Google and click proxy, right, extension, and I've already added in my machine. Just click add to Chrome here, and you should able to see this proxy Foxy proxy plugin. Okay, just open it. Okay, I've already added one proxy here. Okay, you just click quick add, already added. Okay, so just click the quick add, right, and you should add it and add the same. You similarly give the port number. Okay, and you just give the port number and also the host and the port number and click OK. Okay, so this is how with an external plugin you are going to add, right? Just click quick add. I've already had it in my machine, right? So you can right add here with the help of this, right, Foxy proxy plugin. Okay, do with the help of the quick add. Okay, both this right proxy should be set before starting the right testing. Okay, so now what you do is, right, after doing that you just click the intercept off to on. Okay, we are just doing a basic thing here. Just intercept off to on. Okay, and open a browser. Okay, so it opened a browser. I'm just clicking, giving this a simple small, this is sample URL which I have. Just copy it. Okay, and you just paste it. One minute, you can give any site. I'm just giving for testing purpose. For the first video I'm just giving. For next video we'll try different sites. Okay, I'm just clicking here. Okay, if you see, right, it's been captured. Okay, so the request and the response is captured here in the burp suite. Okay, if you see, right there, this is a request and this is a response. Okay, and see, you can able to see, right, which browser it launched, right, what is the host, right, and what is the right get request it did, and what is the response. Okay, so Burp should captures the request and it also hits the server and get back the response also. Okay, so this is how right we can test right an application. This is going to be a very simple video, just introduction video and just installing the burp shoot. So we'll see this in detail in the coming right lectures. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.